Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Motivation water bottle, reusable, BPA free, 1.8 liters. Comes with this little top here, so you can secure that. Nice convenient handle here too, easy to grab. Let's see what we got here. So this has a retractable straw, little lanyard here, so you can hook this on your gym bag or something like that. Let's see if I can get this on here. Oh my goodness. Ah, so close. Okay, so that folds. Okay, there we go. I think I'm getting it. Okay, got it on there, so that's gonna hold my bottle. That was a little tricky. Okay, so we got these parts for the straw here. Let's see how this works. So it says it's retractable, so I'm guessing this is the straw end, and this is going to go into there then. And this has a little slot on the bottom, so I'm going to put this into the straw about yay much and put that down in there. Okay, now our straw is going to go through there. We're going to screw down our bottle. Okay, there we go. So if you push down on the straw now, that'll just go down and then it'll come back out. So if you want to use a straw, boom, you can simply have it right in there. I'm going to wash this out, make sure we're all clean, and then I'll test it out, see what I think. So far, I like it. I like that it's a nice big handle. Holds plenty of water. Drinking water is super important to stay hydrated, especially if you're fasting or something like that, or exercising, or just in general. So let's go clean it out. I'll tell you how easy it was, and we'll see what we think about it here. All right, here we go. All washed out and ready to go. I'll put a little spritz of flavor there in the water. Let's test the leak thing upside down. Okay, no leak in there. That's good. A little lanyard holds it nicely. Okay, let's test out the straw here. Straw pops right up there, and delicious. Works really well. Not sticking or anything or sucking on the bottom. Just make sure that the little opening part on the straw is towards the bottom, like I put it in there. Like how that just goes down out of the way. Super convenient. And of course, if you don't want to use the straw, if that's just in there, you could just drink it like normal. Should I take the straw out? Yeah, I'll take the straw out. Okay. All right. So if you don't want to drink out of the straw, you can just drink right out of the container here, like so. Both super easy. I like how it has a nice lip around there, so not gonna spill a lot there. Really handy. I like that it's a fairly large size, almost 2 liters in there. Couple of these a day should give you your amount that you need. No leaking, seems fairly durable. Nice handle on there, straw works really good. I'm really impressed. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.